What's the best setup in the lab? Let's find out. Coming up. So I'm in the lab, and one of the things that I've wanted to do in terms of doing videos related to the studio and studio items is find a setup that kind of works for me, something that feels comfortable and something that will allow me to have camera images and video images of the synth that I'm working on, and a way to also do the sound in a way that's more professional and kind of utilizing the stuff that I have. So for example, right now I've got the camera pointing down onto the desktop at the Kronos, which I use a lot, and I'm running the audio into Cubase so that I can hopefully be able to marry those two together. One of the things that I wanted to do with this process, figuring out the camera, figuring out the audio, was doing a better setup so that I kind of utilize my instruments here in the studio a little bit better. Frequently I find myself, whatever synthesizers here on this desktop is the one that I use for pretty much everything. I might use a synth over on the side and kind of get a bass line or theme together, and then adding other tracks, the bass and pads and organs and all that kind of stuff. I'll do that straight from here or in the box kind of thing. So my idea is that I will rotate synths out of this area and do more of a deep dive into each one, at least for me, so that I can understand the synth a little bit more, and maybe I'll record some of those things maybe when I come across something that's a little more interesting or new to me. I can share that with you guys there. So I'm trying to, again, see how this stuff works in terms of the sound. This is just the Kronos. I'm just playing, this is a Guardians of Light sound, a titanium guitar, which I really like. So anyway, I'm going to kind of start working on some of that stuff. So we'll cut it here for now, come back to this again, and I'll probably rotate this synth out and put something new in here. Try that and see how that works with the whole setup. So that's in the lab. We'll see you next time around.
Please hang up and try again.
Hang loose.